For the best online experience, we strongly recommend that you use SCWonline through the Google Chrome browser. The browser icon looks like this. From our website www.socialcare.wales, click Log in to SCWonline. Alternatively, you can enter www.scwonline.wales into the address bar of your browser. From here, click the Sign In option at the top right-hand corner of the page. Enter your preferred email address and password in the relevant boxes and select Sign In. We don't recommend that you check the Remember Me box if you are using a public or shared computer, as this will give other users access to your personal information.